Hey guys, thanks for tuning in back to DNA Vlogs. This is Dipen from Pune, and of course at the backdrop you can see both the Dominars. The blue one is my Dominar Explorer and the white one is Sushil ka. Sushil is my office colleague as well as the Pune group friend. So it's his 2017 Dominar and it has just got the Domivel 2 kit. So in a while I'll show you how to install the kit. It is very basic, very simple, but still I thought I'll make a video of installation. I'm also going to be doing some cinematics and all, so I thought I'll do the installation also. So let's dive straight into the installation. I'll show you what all parts come along and how you have to install. But just before that, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you're there on my channel for the first time. And in due course, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course share the video with your friends who would be or who have purchased the Domivel kit and would be interested in knowing the installation part. So one side is already installed. Okay, even the second was installed, but I just removed it so that I can show you guys how to install it. Sushil already has some graphics on his bike, so those graphics might get carried forward. It is kind of wrap on it right now. This is a wrap he has carried forward everywhere. I'm not sure if it is a wrap because I'm not able to make out, or a paint. No, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So this is his bike. This is how it looks. He's got this small accessories installed. CR ka visor hai, Moto10 ka GPS mount hai. He's got certain fog lamps and SVS ke crash guards the that he removed right now. He's got a custom top box which he ordered from Bandidos or somewhere long time back, which is not here right now. Maybe in future I'll probably shoot his bike again and show you his complete loaded bike, probably when he's around too. Now coming to the Domivel kit installation. So these are the parts that you get. You get a tank shroud one, and this is the cover of the tank shroud which goes in here. Both are bolt-on fit over here on this part. One mount will come here and two mounts will come here. As of now this kit does not vibrate. I rode the bike some time back because this time it's a real snug fit. Even my previous Domivel X kit never used to vibrate, and even this Outlog Explorer kit, this also does not vibrate. This is a common question people ask, so that's why I thought I should clarify. Now how to mount this? So you will get this tank shroud. What you have to do is preferably put your bike on a paddock stand or something so it is upright. When you're fitting on the kit, when you're fitting the tank shroud of the left hand side, turn the handle to the right. Then there will be two-way tape on the other side. Okay, stick this one also over here. So ideally it is to be stuck here. This right now I removed, that's why it's gone there. And then slide you have to slide the cover like this, the tank shroud. You have to slide it like that. It will come into the place. Now before you do that, you have to remove 3 bolts. Stock bolts you have to remove 1, 2 and 3. You just have to remove those. Keep these things in place and then slide this in. Okay, when I say slide this in, it means that you have to let it get stuck here. It'll be snug fit over here, and once it is inside, this holes will match. Put the first bolt over here in place. Do not tighten it right now, just put it in place. Okay, after that match these holes. Okay, you have to match the holes over here and then install this part over here. Now I've matched all the holes. I'm using one of the bolts in the cover over here, and you just put it inside. Okay, again don't tighten this completely, just put it in place and then install the third bolt and then tighten everything. So all the 3 bolts are in place. There are no bolts on this side. Okay, this stock bolt you don't have to remove. In the first kit, in the Domivel X and Domivel 1, you had to remove this, but in this Domivel 2 you don't have to remove the inner bolt over here. It's just on 1, 2 and 3, and trust me, even on these 3 it doesn't vibrate at all. So now we'll just tighten all the 3 bolts. This one is gone in here. Okay, do not fully tighten it, just put it in place so that no panel pinches out. This is the second bolt. and this is the third one. Once all the 3 bolts are completely locked in, then you can tighten them one by one. Again, make sure that you tighten this one completely first, so that the panel pushes out here, and then tighten this one, and then tighten this one. Okay, so this one to be tightened completely first, second this one, and third this one. And there you're done. Your kit is installed. This should take less than 15-20 minutes to install on both the sides. Second side I'm not showing you how to install because it's ditto same. Isme kuch bhi, there's nothing different. Okay, you just have to remove this bolt, 2 bolts here, remove the stock bolts, and then slide the panel in and slide the cover in and put all the bolts back in place. So Autolog will provide 2 tank shrouds, 2 covers, and around 6 bolts and washers to you. Now colors you can choose, and once you place the orders, you can talk to Autolog. You can DM them on Instagram and tell them what color options you want, what color your bike is. Prices, I leave the link to the Domiwell kit on their website. You can place orders directly from there. If you want to get in touch with them via Instagram, you can also do that. I leave the Instagram ID also in the video description. That's it with the installation. It was pretty simple. ज़्यादा कुछ था ही नहीं इसमें. 3 bolts ओरिजिनल खोलने हैं, 3 bolts नए डालने हैं before you put the shrouds and the cover. तो इसके कलर ऑप्शंस वगैरह आप Autolog के Instagram पे देख सकते हैं, और otherwise you can check on the Autolog website also. Both I'll leave links to in the video description, and you can get in touch with them to purchase. Price वगैरह भी you can check on the Autolog website. And I leave some cinematic kind of shots, walk around kind of shots, which you can check after this clip for checking out all different angles to understand how this looks in a different angle. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, and if yes, don't forget to hit the like button and do share the video ahead, in multiple groups who would be interested in this Domiwell kit, because this bike really looks stunning in person. तो बहुत अच्छी दिख रही है. So if you want to get your bike made like this, you can check this video out for the installation and also get in touch with Autolog. I'm logging off right now from Autolog, and see you in a new video soon.